Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to create a quick Quizlet to share with other teachers or students. There's a variety of things that everybody can use this for. It can help people study. It could just be fun, of course. You can play a game in class. Students can use flashcards to study out of class, and your team could deploy this with all of their students as well. So you would simply create an account. It's free here with Quizlet, and then go to the top and click create and create a new study set. And as you can see here, I've already started one for AP Art History Unit 3. You can edit this title or put in whatever you would like. Then you are going to scroll down. You could add an image here if you wanted. I do not want to. And then I'm going to start putting in some questions. And you can turn off these suggestions if you don't want them to appear here. Sometimes they're helpful, sometimes they're not. You can go in and alter them. You could add an image if you would like. I'm choosing not to. Second question. Second answer. Once again, I could include an image. I am choosing not to. I can add a new card. These can be long or short. Okay, I could keep going, but since this is a demonstration, I'm just going to use these three. Don't forget, before you choose create, you want to take a look here. Editable only by me. Perhaps if you are with a team of teachers, you would want to change that. Also visible. Do we want it visible to everyone, or do we want it visible to people with a password? And that is what I'm going to choose. Save that. Now we can choose create. And here we go. We have all of these options to view on the left. You can see flashcards here. If I click, it gives me the answer. Moving on, another answer, question, answer. You can set it up as a test. Multiple choice, true, false. Can choose your answers, check your answers. You can set it up as a learning environment, if you will, where there are options to choose here. A match game, where you simply just click and drag. You can do all of this multiple times. If you need to edit, you can do that here. Here's where you are able to now share this with your students or group of teachers or whomever. You could send an email. You can copy the link. If you have Google Classroom available to you, you can share it here. You can share on Remind. copying the link is always a great way to do this because it gives you a lot of options. You could place it on the board so students can take a look at it. You can also put it in a Google document, like I could do that here for my horizontal team members, teachers who teach this same subject across the district, and they would have access to this same Quizlet to share with their students. Or you could simply send an email. A lot of different options here. You've got a great format that is able to be altered and edited and shared. And it's a lot of fun. That's Quizlet.